And now, a quick update on episode 16. Because this was a remake of my very first episode and I couldn't find any of the PlayStation games, I hadn't tested or filmed anything demonstrating that the unit turns on months ago. So I decided to pull out the cables and hook it all up before my next project. The boot up screen was a little long and I tried a music CD, but it wasn't even spinning. I opened up the PlayStation again and noticed that somehow I had missed the ribbon cable torn out from the optical unit. Normally, I would have picked that up during the testing. Thankfully, changing the optical lens in this console is one of the easiest thing ever, and I had a spare one on hand. You'll have to save the little connector on the side and use it for the new lens. When putting it all back together, just make sure the ribbon cable and connector are not in the way so that the lens carriage can move freely, and that's it. I do recommend cleaning the laser again just in case it got contaminated on the way here. Turning on the unit, I could see that the boot up screen was much faster and the remote seemed to operate just fine. And it's reading the CDs. So that's all for today. I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.